Karen. If you're new here, I'm Karen. And I would love it if you would sit back and watch this video. And then if you'd like and subscribe before you leave. Guess what just came? Here it is. Now, I know that some of you that do not have this are jealous, and some of you that are waiting for yours and it has not come yet are jealous. But guess what? That's why we do these videos, so we can see. I'm so excited to play with this. I am putting on my MAC paint pot right now, and it's washed off my other makeup so I could redo it. Yes, that is how excited Karen is for this palette. Oh my goodness, I love the beauty world. I love the beauty community. I even forgot to turn the sound off on the TV because this is just how excited I am about this palette. I knew it was coming today because I got the text updates. Look at my hair. I just blow dried it and I didn't style it or anything, so I'm looking a little strange. But that's okay because blue blood is here. Blue blood is here. We've all been waiting for blue blood. Okay. Hi, can you work so I can turn that off so I can play with my palette now? Okay. Thank you. Okay. The moment has come. The moment has come. The moment has come. Now, I've got all my brushes. Make sure they're all washed and ready. Okay, so the packaging was absolutely adorable. And then this card was in here. Look how stunning Jeffree looks. I'm loving that. Loving that, loving that, loving that. It's the first time I've seen a card in one of his packages. I haven't ordered too much from him, though. I've ordered some of his stuff from Morphe as well. But, okay, we're going to dive right in. And what do I want to do? I just don't even know. But this palette is so gorgeous. Oh my. I just want all of the blues. And I think I'll start out with Celebrity Skin, which is this one here, as a nice base in the crease. Ooh, blending like a dream. Did we expect any less? No, really didn't. Oh my goodness. How many of you are waiting on this palette and will be watching this video with envy? I didn't even get all my makeup off. I still have a little bit of eyeliner on. Oh. Didn't even do my brows. Don't care. Want to play with the palette? Yes, I do. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. Alright, I am so in love with that. Oh wow. Okay. So now I'm going to take, this is a crease brush. Don't want a crease brush. I just used a crease brush. I want one, what do I want? I think we're going to go in with another pencil brush. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to go, which blue do I want to use? Alright, I have to. Okay. Deceased! Didn't Jeffree come up with that? Oh my goodness. And the way that he means the word deceased is, oh my gosh, something so awesome. I'm gonna die right now. And I can't blame him. Because this palette, it's deceased! Hi. Hello, pigmentation. Wow. You are amazing. Oh, I'm so wishing I would have got a hold of the lipsticks to go with this. And maybe one of the highlighters. Next time they're in stock, I'm all over that bitch. Oh. Tati did a video, Tati, and her makeup with this palette was absolutely stunning. Stunning. And y'all might want to get yourself a cup of coffee and just sit back, because this is probably going to be a long video. I want to use as many colors as possible. Oh, this is just amazing. Wow. All right, they blend amazing. Amazing so far. And Deceased, look at that color. It's just out of this world. And I have no idea what I'm doing with the look. I just want to play with all of these colors. I'll figure out a look later. Wow. Hi. Blue. Alrighty. Let's go in with something else. What do we want to do? I'm going to take a flat brush. Oh, there's just so many beautiful colors. Let's, no, do I want it? Yeah. We're going to go in with Minty, this one here. And there's not really, hardly any fallout. We're just going to put this all over the bottom lid. Just because it's beautiful and I want to play with these colors. They are very creamy, these shadows, I'm not going to lie. There's a few pressed pigments in here too. You guys know the difference between them, right? Sometimes there are colors that seem to be hard to blend, and it's because they're more or less supposed to be placed on the eye instead of blended into the eye. Okay, that one had a little bit of fallout. Alright, a lot of fallout. It's alright though. I still have eyelash glue. See, this is how excited I was. I'm picking eyelash glue off my eye right now. Insane. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. But who else wouldn't be excited for this to come out? I mean, come on. Oh. This is amazing. I can't even say enough about it. Jeffree, you just blew the world away with this palette. I don't even... Oh, I can't tell you how much this means to me. I love it. I absolutely love it. Alright. Cullinan is this really pretty white in the corner there. And I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to put some of that here. Okay. My brushes are still a little damp because I did wash them all. And that could be another reason why the colors are popping even more so, but you all know how Jeffree's products are. The pigmentation, when I swatched them, holy crap, I was like, whoa. And I only swatched one before I came in here to do a video. My kid was like, you're going to lock yourself in your room, aren't you? Yes, yes I am. And then she goes, where's my palette? See, I ordered one from Jeffree's site, and then I ordered one from Morphe's site, because I totally figured that Morphe's palettes would ship first. And guess what? The exact opposite happened. Okay, so she's like, where's my palette? And I'm like, it'll be here Saturday. Sorry. Alright, as I am sitting here, I exfoliated my face, forgot to do my lip. Well, I didn't forget, I just didn't care. Because I heard the mail truck, and they were like, your palette's here! And I'm like, yes! They all know I've been waiting for it today. I knew it was coming. Flourishing. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go in with Flourishing. Oh, yes. Hello. Gotta find the right brush. This one will work. That is Flourishing. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. I can't get enough. Oh. Wow. Okay, I need a blending brush. I am... got hair on my face. I am so very excited right now. Oh. Beautiful. These colors are beautiful. I cannot even express how exciting this is for me. Okay, which brush did I use for deceased? I'm always going to say that now. And with that tone of voice, too. Deceased. Oh. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. Amazement. So amazed. I have not done a blue eye since the James Charles palette came out. And, excuse me as I'm being gross and getting the dead skin off my lips. I loved it, but I haven't done a blue one since then, and there's just so many more colors in this one that, hi. But James did a great job on his first palette. He definitely did. Ice tray. Do I want to? Yes, I do. Ice tray. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Hi. Hello. I think we just found my new favorite palette. Oh, I still have glue on my eye. It's sad. Really? Look. And look still what's on my finger. I'm amazed. Absolutely amazed. I think I'm going to even line my eyes with one of these shadows. Because I'm not thinking I want to put black. I just don't want to. Now, we know when you do your liner, you need a really stiff, angled brush. Like, Eco Tools has the best one. When you're doing liner, this is what you want. Otherwise, forget it. The brush is not going to work. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Which one do I want to do? I don't even know. I'm really liking Entitled. I'm really liking, I like them all. I can't even. They say setting spray helps. I use rose water sometimes, but let's see. Let's see what I can do. Oh, it's so creamy. Entitled is very creamy. Look at that. I am so loving that. Okay, I have got to figure out how to do this to where I'm letting you guys see what I'm doing. My video is already 13 minutes long. Do you see this crap? All right. I need the mirror. I need the mirror. Please don't fall over. Okay, it's gone. Sorry, guys. Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to play with this a little bit more off camera, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Don't close. Oh! Hi, you're still here. Oops. My dumbass lost half my video. Yay! See what Jeffree Star's Blue Blood did? Lost it. Anyway, while I was off camera, I did a full face using the Blue Blood palette. I even used Untouchable for a blush and that Cullinan or whatever it was, that white, for a highlighter. And I went in with the Very Precision brush for brush for eyeliner. And look. Someone's following us. Hold on. It did a perfect job. Deceased. oh, went on like a dream. They all did. So I added some lashes to it. I took some pictures. Oh, and I have my TV on again. Yes. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I just had so much fun. I kept going with it, and I like totally did this nice little goodbye kind of thing, and then guess what? I lost it. So this is my finished look. I used the entire Blue Book palette on my face, even my lips, a little bit of lip gloss, and I have to say, I cannot congratulate you enough, Jeffree. You did an excellent job. So if you would like this video, definitely subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. And look for my pictures on Instagram. I will leave a link. See you guys later. Bye, babes. Don't close. Oh! Hi, you're still here. Oops.